Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. Just wanted to go through how I use Awesome Miner to apply overclocks and different pools when I'm jumping around between like Firo or Raven and then going to Ethereum. Try to make it as easy and quick as possible with multiple rigs. So what I have set up is I have pool groups. So my Ethereum Nice Hash, Firo 2 miners, Mint pool, and then Flux. And so I can apply that profile easily. So now it just jumped over to Flux. And then I can go over to clocking, apply my overclock, Flux, and it applies those clocks for me. So super easy, saves a lot of time. And then when I want to go back to another coin, Firo 2 miners, stops it, applies the new pool, and then I can come over to the profile clocking and it applies my overclocks for those. So the first thing you need to do is you need to find what clocks work best for you. Every card is different. I even have some cards that need their own little tweak. Even though they're the same brand, sometimes you can have an oddball that needs a little bit more power to reach those numbers that you need. But find what works best for you for the clocking. Then you want to go profile, save as, give them their own name. I'm just doing this so I don't mess up my previous ones. And then so when you go into load, I have all my individual cards. 2 of my 2060 supers run at these settings. One of them runs different, so I need a different set of numbers for that one. So I've named them all, and I go through, I name them with the algorithm first, then what card it is. And so once you make up all your overclocks, you apply them, you save them, then you can go into profile groups. And then we're going to add one. So we're going to call this test, add. So you want GPU ID. 0 would be your first card, 1 is your second, 2 is your third. So say your first card is a 1080 Ti, second card is a 2060 Super, whatever it is. Once you got them all saved, it's not so bad. So then once you have that set, then you have your profile group that you can easily apply over in GPU clocking. Clocking profile group, apply. We're going to pull up our test. I'm not going to apply because I don't want to screw this up, but the one that I created is this guy. Or since we're mining MTP right now, I would load this one. Just wait for the thinking to get done, the little thinking circle. If you got 6 or 7 cards, it might take 5-10 seconds to get them all loaded. So that's how you set up your overclocking groups. Now we can set up the pool group for an easy switch over. Go to Manage Templates, Add. This is just like your normal Manage Miner properties that you would set up individually, but this one will apply it to all. I'm just going to call it Test for now. We're going to do Raven, so Kapow. Choose your miner. I prefer T-Rex for just about everything. And then we've got a 2 miners pool that I've already set up previously, so you would have to do a normal pool setup first, and then you're going to use that one in here. Want to make sure that add to worker name isn't clicked, because if you do it like this, it would overwrite whatever previous settings you had. I always choose auto start miner, then you click OK, OK again, and then right click, manage template, apply manage template, and there's our test. Or you can click up at the top group there and do all of them all at once, manage template, apply. Since I'm mining Firo right now, I'll just click that, it'll stop them all and start back up. And by not having that add to worker name, that was still saved from previous. So you would have to set those up, each one. Double click, add to worker name, give it a name. So when you want to change, I usually do stop, apply manage template, Ethereum. Then you can come down, do your clocking, do each individual rig, let it finish loading. Now you got all your clocks set, click the top, click start. So between switching coins, maybe a minute with multiple rigs, less if you just got 1 or 2. So the things you'll need is you're going to need to create your individual clocks, find it, profile, save as, save it, do the next card, profile, save as. Unless it's the exact same, you can just use one profile for all of the cards if they're the same. You'll obviously need a pool. Create your pool here, add, description, pool connection, whatever it is, worker name, worker password, choose your coin, click OK. Then you'll need to create your template, and that's your normal template. Then you also need your clocking profile groups. So all the clocking profiles that you create are here, and then these are the actual group ones. So once you got all those set, it's super easy to change coins. So I'm going to hit stop. Going back to Firo. Change them all. You can create profiles for all your coins, like I have Ethereum, Flux, Raven, Firo. And then just click start. So I hope that helps you guys get around a little bit more efficiently throughout Awesome Miner. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Please hit that subscribe button. Recently hit 500. Looking to get to that 1,000 mark. Thanks for watching today, guys. Have a good rest of your day. See you on the next one. Later.